At present, India accounts for 10% of global road accidents, with more than 1.5 lakhs fatalities annually, which is highest in the world. The Global New Car Assessment Program, which is also popularly known as Global NCAP, is a major project of the Towards Zero Foundation, which is a UK-based charity. Till now, the agency has tested more than 25 cars which are made in India under its Safer Cars for India initiative. Unfortunately, not many cars came out with the flying colors. So in this video, we will talk about the safest car in India under 20 lakhs with their global NCAP rating, their safety features as well as their crash test results. Before moving on forward, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe to us by hitting the subscribe button, and also do follow us on Instagram so that you would never miss any of our content. The Maruti Brezza scored an incredible 4-star at GNCAP crash test, making it one of the most safest Maruti cars you can buy in India. The car scored 4-star rating for adult occupancy, which is 12.51 out of 17. However, the car got 2 stars for child occupancy, which is 17.93 out of 49. All the variants of the car comes equipped with 2 airbags, ABS with EBD, front seat belts with pre-tensioners, a driver's side seat belt reminder, and ISOFIX style seat mounts. In India, the Maruti Vitara Brezza is priced from 8.23 lakhs to 10.18 lakhs. The Tata Tiago hatchback and the Tiggo compact sedan were both awarded 4 stars in the crash test. The car managed to score 12.52 out of 17 for adult occupancy. Both the cars also managed a 3-star child occupancy rating, 34.15 out of 49. At 4,60,000 starting price, it is one of the most affordable car in India with a 4-star global NCAP rating. Meanwhile, the Tigor price starts at 5,75,000 and go all the up to 7,49,000. The Mahindra second generation Thar scored an incredible 4 stars in the global NCAP crash test. Though the SUV having just 2 airbags, the car scored an incredible 12.52 out of 17 for adult protection, 41.1 out of 49 for child protection. Due to this, the Thar has achieved the highest score for child protection till date. The second generation Mahindra Thar is priced from 9.8 lakhs to 13.75 lakhs. The Mahindra Marazzo became the first made in India MPV to gain a 4-star rating. The Marazzo MPV scored 12.85 out of 17 in adult safety and 22.22 out of 49 in child occupancy. The Marazzo comes with safety kits such as dual airbags, ABS, driver's side seat belt reminder, front seat belt pre-tensioners, and an ISOFIX child mounts for the rear seats, which is standard across all variants. The Mahindra Marazzo is priced from 11,25,000 to 13,59,000. The Tata Nexon was the first made in India vehicle to receive the 5-star ratings from the global NCAP. The car scored 16.06 points out of 17 points for adult occupant protection category and 25 points out of the 49 points in the child occupant protection category. All the variants of the Nexon comes with 2 airbags, ABS, and an ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard. The Nexon is priced from 6,95,000 with that price going up to 12,50,000 for the top spec diesel automatic model. The Tata Altroz is the second car from the Tata Motors and the first premium hatchback to receive a 5-star rating from the global NCAP. The car scored an incredible 16.13 out of 17 for the adult occupant protection and a 29 out of 49 for the child occupant protection. All the variants of the Altroz come standard with 2 airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, seat belt reminders for the front seats, and ISOFIX style seat mounts. Top variants of the Altroz comes with additional safety kits such as height adjustable front seat belts and parking camera. The Tata Altroz is priced from 5,29,000 to 9,29,000. The Mahindra XUV 300 is the first car from the Mahindra and the third made in India car to receive the 5-star rating from the global NCAP. The car was awarded 5 star for adult occupancy, securing 16.42 out of 17, and 4 star for child occupant protection, securing 37.44 out of 49. The car also won the global NCAP's first ever Safe Choice Award too. The basic and mid variants of the XUV 300 comes equipped with the ABS with EBD, rear disc brakes, ISOFIX child seat mounts. The top variants of the XUV 300 comes with more safety kit like 7 airbags, front parking sensors, ESP tire pressure monitoring system. The XUV 300 priced from 8,30,000 to 12,69,000. Thanks to Global NCAP, we are seeing a huge surge in awareness about the car safety among the Indians. So viewers, when you are buying a new car, do have a look of the safety ratings of the car. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, do give a like and share among your friends too. Cheers.